In this video we will go over how to keep records private. This is useful if you store sensitive information. You can edit any record and make the record private by checking the private checkbox. Note how this contact's name and details have been replaced with asterisks. These options are available in Settings, Privacy and Encryption settings. You can choose to mask private records, which shows them as asterisks. You can also hide them from the list. You can show private records by going to the menu and then clicking Show Private. If there is a password, you will be prompted for one. Enable the password by clicking Private Record Password. You can use a passcode or a password. For this example, we will do a code. Repeat the code. To show the details of the record, the code must be entered. You can make notes private by editing them and checking private. Any record type can be made private using this method. You can also encrypt the entire database using AES 256. Be careful, if you forget your password, we are unable to recover your database. You can use a code or a password. When you open the program, you will be prompted for the password. You can also set how quickly the database will lock after inactivity. Thanks for watching our video. You can watch more DejaOffice PC videos by checking out our playlist.